Our home it's really different actually, because when you walk in, you've got that beautiful heat straight away, constantly. It really has kind of changed our life in a way, hasn't it? We've got no more of those horrible drafts. We don't need to wear hoodies in the house. So it has really, besides being efficient now, it's really a happy, cosy home. Yeah. We built the bungalow in 1999, and over the years we just noticed it was extremely drafty. In the end, it was quite expensive to keep it heated, and we hate the fact that we were using oil. A couple of colleagues had said to me about retrofits. We knew nothing about it, did we?
No.
And we just wanted to know a little bit more about this one-stop shop that we've been hearing about.
As a one-stop shop, our objective is to take all the headaches away from the homeowner. We're there from the very start, from the grant application straight through to the design, and we carry out all the works straight through to the finish for the homeowner.
What we both loved about it is we're very busy people. We do not have the time to fill in a million forms. And they do all that for you. And that was a real kind of like, oh my goodness me, because a lot of grants these days, you have to pay it up front and then you get the money back. And that really enabled us to be able to do it. I don't think we would have been able to afford it if we would have had to pay the full amount.
They installed the heat pump, all the windows and doors changed, new radiators all the way through the house, insulation, solar panels and mechanical ventilation.
The solar panels have made a really big difference. We noticed that straight away because we had the retrofit done in the summer, and it's been really more about behaviour change. We would have done a lot of stuff in the evenings with the utilities.
So when the red light comes on in the fuse box and flashes, it means that the solar panels are working. So that's the time to put the washing machine, dryer and dishwasher on, and it's free electricity. We've probably saved just over €2,000 during the year. That's about 45%, isn't it?
It's a big difference.
Big difference.
Savings.
Big savings.
Yeah, it's a pleasure coming home now. It's just really, genuinely a lovely, cosy home.
The animals absolutely love it as well. We have one of our cats that used to go out and stay out, but all he just wants to do is just want to go out. He just wants to stay in all the time.